we will be doing some more coding. All right, let's see what we can do here. Okay, my computer just died. Let's switch over. So, right, we were working on a small application and for a small business, a Swedish business services kind of firm. All right, let's switch over um, to our computer. And sorry about this a little bit, but I need to, yeah, right. So here we are, something like this. Okay, right. So what do we have? Where we left off a few hours ago. It was actually earlier today. We left off a few hours ago, and since then I implemented a small. Let me just close all of these stuff. Right. So I implemented a small component that I called. What did I call it? I call it landing page component. Why did I call it landing page component? Because it's a page. Yeah, perhaps I should call it a page component rather than landing page component. But I assume no, actually, it will have some different kind of content. So my idea was because what we do have is uh, we have a landing page, which is the main view, and then we have four kind of sub pages at this point that will describe all the various uh, service areas. Oh, there it is. Okay. Um, and all of them will kind of have a header and a footer and then a container. And so I reckon that I could wrap them in a component and then pass this in. So the main view makes use of this landing page component. Right, it makes use of the landing page component. But actually, I'm gonna rename it to page component. I'm actually gonna rename it to page component, like this. And inside of this one, I want to just change this to page component. And in the main view, I just wanna change this. Oh, shit. Okay, so all right. Rounding, right. Rounding, right. Okay, fair enough. And I'm also gonna just make sure that let me see, where's my terminal? Okay, here it is. It's a little small, so let's make it a little bigger. Yeah, we already have that up and running. So I was about to start Cypress, but I already have it up and running in a different, of course, as usual, on a different screen. So we're just gonna go over here, and that's it. Right. Let's see. What's up? Why are you? Oh, there it is. Okay. Right. So I'm actually using canva.com to create this logo thing, and I added this header. I actually reused a little bit of logic from one of my previous projects. And so what happens is that when you scroll, the uh, the app bar kind of disappears, right? And I added this color, and I'm considering adding this this background to the body as well. Right, that's what I'm doing. Why is this right? Circle, that's me, max screen, that says right. Right, so it's just gonna get rid of this, right? Um, yeah, yeah, okay. And so that caused me a little problem. And there was an interesting thing here. See, I had I had a header inside of this subfolder. I'm gonna get rid of this subfolder because it was something like when I had it when it was named with uh, using a small h like header, it wasn't actually picking up hot reloading. Uh, it was really, really weird. It didn't pick it up, but it does now. So I'm good. It's hard to explain, but it took me off on a small bug hunt. Anyway, I'm using this Canva thing, right? So here it is. Here's the logo, and I am kind of so I created this logo for them, but I'm using Montserrat Montserrat. I wonder if I can use Montserrat as a font. So let's see if we do Google Fonts, right? Montserrat. Can we do that? Google Fonts. Montserrat. Right. We can use that. Right. So how do we implement Google Fonts in Chakra UI? So let's do that. Chakra UI. Oh shoot. Sorry. Chakra UI. Google Fonts. I don't recall how to. Well, like I know how to use Google Fonts in a React application, or at least I think I know. Let's see if we can. Right. Hi, I'm very new to front end. Yeah, right. I'm trying to use a font from yes. Next is Chakra. Right. Thank you. Answered. Beautiful answer. Uh, Theme extended body font name here. Yeah. Uh, okay. Certain font name here. What? Stem from a simple typo for anyone. Right. So body. Right. Fonts. Yeah. But it can't. I have to. I ring either npm or right. Yeah. Okay. But that doesn't really. Yeah. Okay. Right. So we go to theme.js config conf what? Okay. So if I just do fonts and then what? Body and then we say Montserrat. I mean regular. Nah, come on, give me a break. This is not possible, right? I mean, come on. Of course, it referencer, right? But this isn't that. I mean, it's way too simple. Can't be that. Uh, right. No. Right. So let's check it out. Inspect this. Font size. Right. Of course not. Right. Okay. Let's let's check a different answer. Right. Using fonts. Okay. Let's go to the documentation. Come on. Install with npm font source. Right. Open source. Right. Fonts can be loaded into your project npm or global component motion. Emotion React package. Okay, so I always have to add this sans serif. Really? Really? So font source option one. Okay, what's the using font face? Stuff fonts. Right. Okay. Okay. Right. Global font fonts from fonts. What? Oh, there it is. Okay, fonts. Alternatively, custom fonts can be loaded with produce a global component from the Emotion React package. Do we have that? Emotion React? Do we already have that? Yes, we do. Okay. Uh, so you can add these fonts to theme fonts to make. First, we'll import all relevant fonts to public or static. Font face. And I can get that from this one, right? So how do we what? God damn it. I don't want to download this. Why would I download Montes? Do I have to why can't I just write about and license? Do I have to Google Fonts? Oh, so okay. So select thin, but I don't select extra light and light. Yeah, so if I want to add this, oh, okay, here it is, and we can go to import URL, right? Import URL, and how do they do this? Font face. So import this. Okay, let's just font file heading, font name, body font name. Right, let's just copy this first and let's implement it this way. Right, so we go to we just create a component. Right, so we go to components, right, views, locales, components. Right, so we just create a new file and we call it font JSX. Is it JSX? Do they call it JSX? And it's also fonts. Right. So let's rename this and we're going to go with fonts. There we go. Okay. We go with fonts. And then we just go on and use this font. Right. But why would I want source URL? Right. Font family. And we just yeah. So let's get fuck off. I don't need this for anything. Right. Okay, so body font name normal font weight. Right. And then we just go weight import URL. Here it is. So I'm just gonna use this. Right. Source URL. And I don't even know. I don't do I have to right. I have no clue what I'm doing, to be honest. Let's just do okay, shit. Let's just do this. Let's just do this. And we get rid of this, right? And I have no clue what this is. Unicorn Rage. Fuck that, right? And we just go 300 on this. Right. Oh, fuck. Right. Okay. Whatever. Let's just pretend that this works. And so, okay, so we do this and then assign those to the theme fonts. Okay. And so in my theme, and we just say body font name, and then we just do what? Why is he using backticks? What are you fucking, what are you shitting me? Okay, whatever. Okay. Fonts, right. And then what? And then we do, then compose the rest of the project together with the theme and end theme file. End theme. So do I have to do this? Why would I have to do this? Hmm. Okay. So what? In my, well, I don't, okay, let's, you know what? I'm just gonna, fonts. Right, so we're gonna import this component. And I'm actually gonna just, what? Place it here. Right. I don't know. I don't know. This doesn't look like a different font. Yeah. Yeah, no. Bro, so but why? Chakra provider, and inside of the theme. This doesn't look good to me. This doesn't look good to me. Right. So what if let's get rid of this and inside of the app component, but it doesn't really matter, does it? This is only the routing, right? So yeah, this is just routes. So if anywhere, it should be here. Let's just back up. And I don't know, should we restart the fucking server or what? Nah, but you never know. Let's try that. Let's restart the damn server. Yeah, nah. Okay. So is it because it's not the heading? Heading, yeah. Okay. So let's just heading. Let's just try that. It sure ain't picking that up either. No. What a shit show, huh? Well, did I misspell anything? But no, body font name is like, because it's not being imported. Can we see? Is there any other? No, there are no errors. Okay. Come with this theme, right? Top font with normal one. Right, Unicode range. I don't even know what the hell that means. I really don't know what that means. Source. Form. Is it because it's of the format? Can we just get rid of the format? Is there anything here? Nope. Okay. Right. Okay. So that clearly public or static to review project. What? 3 position folders can be a problem. We import. Right. Jagger is a global component from the Emotion React back to font face CSS roles. You can then add these fonts to theme dot fonts. Make use. First, we'll import. Yeah. Okay. But let's forget about that then. Open is our font source. Right. Okay. So, yeah, let's do Chakra UI Google Fonts. Right. You guys with Remix Run, do the Google Web Fonts. All right, let's have a look at this. Let's see what they come up with. Using a custom font, right? Font face, right? Not interesting. And choose the font you need. Really? But I don't want to self-host those files. But I want to serve them from. Or is it not possible? Do I have to download them? Really? Yeah. Yeah, well, that sucks. Okay, so we're just gonna show this guy in Finder. Right, so here we are. TFF. The fuck? Variable. Oh my god, why is it so fucking hard to import some? Okay. Well, right. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, so right, so okay, so fonts. But is it in okay, so in assets. So in assets. Okay, so let's create a new folder here and we go fonts and then we just grab these into fonts. There it is. Right, and then we just go on and Right, font face, fonts and normal, 300, swap, right, fuck that. And then we just do data, assets. No, it's actually, I don't even know where fonts, mon. Okay, oh god. Let's do regular. Let's just copy this fucking copy relative path, and we just paste the relative path. Source assets. So it's dot. So okay, whatever, right? Um, well, that ain't flying at all. Motherfucker, assets fonts. Body, body font name, and theme fonts. Initial color, right? Body. Oh, oof. Hi Pierre. Just working on a small application for a colleague of mine, and it's basically like a fairly static website, so it's nothing super sexy in terms of programming. But I am playing around with the CSS framework. I am not a CSS kind of guy, so I'm using frameworks often, and I hear good stuff about Chakra UI. Actually used it on 2 projects before. This is something I built uh, using this framework, and I'm fairly happy with it. And also I built this. I think I built this because yeah, I also built this for a small animal farmish kind of thing. This is in Swedish only. But what I'm struggling with at the moment, and see, I am using a custom font here, right? So I'm struggling with custom fonts. So I'm using a custom font here, and I can't. It's not that I don't remember, because I can always look it up. Uh, this is Gustav Gordon, right? So let's check out. Right. Uh, do I have a theme? Am I extending the theme here? I'm not extending the theme. So what the fuck am I doing, right? Do we have like a CSS? Yeah, I just did this. Right. Yeah. So I can always do this, right? I can just import this font directly and place it in the CSS file, but that's not what I kind of want to do. I could do it. I could potentially do it. What if I just do this, right? But I don't want to do it. I want to do it properly. But let's just, for the sake of it, let's just do this. And now in my, yeah, so now I'm using a different font, right? So it's not that font that I want to use. I could always just do import right here, right? Just do this import instead. Boom, right? And then we just do this. And then it would look like this, right? But that's not what I want to do. This is one way to import fonts into this framework. But again, this is not what I want to do. So let's get rid of this. I want to extend the chakra theme because there is a way to extend themes, and I want to do that. So I want to do that. So the idea is that we create a fonts JSX, and we use this global thingy, and for some reason we just import it here, and I have it here, and this method is described on the website. But fonts, extend theme fonts. Right, that's what I'm doing. I don't want, yeah, well, this is the method, font face, right? So font family. I don't know what this Unicode range is, to be honest. Why would this be? Format TFF, do I have to say this? Do I have to say URL? Right. Heading font. Right, fonts. And so just what? Comma, format, sorry, format, and then TFF. Is this what I need to do? Format. Yeah. Font displays for. I don't even know what shit. I can give it. Can I give it like a? So if I say Monte. Oh God. Shit. There it is. Right. And then yeah. So in the theme, I just say this or what? No, fuck that, right? Yeah. Hey, UT61. Hi, it's been a while. Yeah. I'm fine. How you doing? Um, how's tell me, bring me up to speed. How's your studies? Did you get away and start your uni thing? I'm struggling with font settings, as you can clearly see. Um, to do do. Let's see. Let's just restart this, just to be. So you in Chechnya? In Chechnya? I thought it was Czech Republic. Oh, Chechnya. That sounds um, interesting. Right. Apparently this is not picking up. So why not? Um, and we're importing fonts. Okay. Oh, Czech Republic. Like, hold on a second. Like, I okay. I thought. Look, I'm sorry, man. I was like, uh, Czech. Uh, I thought I was like, I thought you were going to Prague, you know, but Czech. Well, okay, because for me, Chechnya is this, right? Like, по-русски with по-польски Чечения. Right. But I must have been mistaken. Okay, good. Well, anyway, it is. So you're in Czech. Like, so what city are you in? Just tell me what city you're in. So my friend is on Twitch and writing. So you're Ostrava. All right. So Ostrava is in Czech Republic, not in Chechnya. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Beautiful city. Ostrava is a beautiful city. Okay, so my friend is studying in Ostrava in Czech Republic. Right. Awesome. Awesome. Uh, yeah, I mean Chechnya is like, I don't know. I mean, they were involved in a war recently. I don't think it's not a good place to study, I assume. Anyhow, back to this struggle. Yeah, I have no clue what I'm doing here. Extend theme fonts. Right. Heading. Uh, Theme. Right. So let's just change both of them to like body. Yeah. Just to no. Right on. Right on. Right on. Not very cool at this point. I really wanted to do this way, but I can't. No, fuck it, right? Can't be bothered with this, so I'm just gonna import this the other way. So let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. We're gonna have to do it the boring way, right? I'm gonna have to do it the boring way. So we're just gonna import this stuff. Uh, this is really not the way. I really didn't want to do it this way. But I am a little bit on a time constraint on this one. I'm doing a friend a favor, so I don't want to spend too much time on this. Which one do we need? We need. So we're gonna use this medium for. We're gonna use this medium, but this is like family. Right. Okay. Fuck. Monster family. But why is he? Right. But now everything will be in medium, right? Yeah. That's not what I want. Because I want the paragraphs. I want the paragraphs to be in a different way. You landed at remote work in the UK, working and studying at the same time. Good for you. Good for you. At least it's not something like McDonald's. Yeah. So, is the remote work coding? And if it is, congratulations. Then you are a professional developer. That's what I always say. As soon as they pay you money, doesn't matter how much, for coding, you are a coder, and you should be happy, and that's good. Right. So how can I use different regular? Right. How can I use different I don't understand this. Ah, okay, 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 okay. So now I can, let's see. Yeah, but this is why I should be importing this the proper way with expanding the theme, sorry. Uh, Truly full stack monkey in every sense, not only front end and back end, but also mobile dev. Oh, even though it's on React Native. Yeah, well, it is what it is. Good on you. Good stuff. I congratulate you. Right. So what if I just import all of them? If I so because now it's importing 300, 500, but with this it will be importing 3, right? And but I don't want the italic. I just want these. Fuck that shit. Okay, so here's the deal. Are we gonna do this and then we're gonna remove the paragraph from here, right? Like this. Let's format this and then we say font weight and we're gonna say 500 on this and then we're gonna say that the paragraph will be font family right Mont there we go, and then we say font weight what font weight, and then we're gonna use 300 or yeah 300 on this one, right? And then we're just gonna go to the fuck this, right? And where's the fonts? I don't need that. Let's remove it, delete that, and we're gonna go to the main view. It's way too many fonts here. Where are the views? And we go to main view, and then we just go in some text, and then we just do text, and then we say lorem, right? Lorem ipsum, and then we just go and check it out. Okay, but what if I change this to 400 now? Right, is this a good? It's not bad. But what if I change this to 400? Is this even making any fucking changes? Yeah, perhaps it is. I don't know. Can we change line spacing? Oh, that's not there. So line. Oh, well, perhaps I could just do font weight, and then can we do line space? No, font weight, style, display, variant, feature, stretch, variant, light, kerning. Right. What is that? Can I say 20? What is that? What does that do for me? Nothing. So what if I do 200? Doesn't do shit. Font kerning. What is that? CSS. Let's get it right. What letter spacing? Oh, letter spacing. That's what I'm looking for. Normal, none. But what if I want to auto font kerning? Auto none. Yeah, well, whatever. Yeah, font spacing. Does that do anything for us? Right. The CSS letter spacing property helps. Right. See, right. Let's have a look at that. Okay. So let's do letter spacing then. And we do, I don't know, 0.5 rem. Can we do that? What will that do for us? Whoa. Oh shit. That doesn't look good. What if I do 0.1? Yeah. What if I do 10px? What is that? What will that do? Oh shit, no, that's not gonna do it. 1px? Well, not bad. And line, letter spacing, line, yeah. Line height, can we do that? Line height. Oh my god. I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing here. So what if we do like 15px? Do I? So I yeah. That's I should probably avoid doing. Oh. Um, so what if we do 25? But this is not very friendly. Like, yeah, is this even? I mean, come on, come on. This is not very mobile friendly, folks. So 45. But why? Oh, because this one includes body? Are you shitting me? No. So what if I just knock it up to 145? Oh, okay, that's not what we want. All right. So we just do 55. Yeah. Hubba. Can we do like upcase transform? Can we say transform? No. Can we like up? Well, no. How do we upcase? Right. Okay. CSS upcase. Uppercase. Uppercase. You can use the text transform. Right. Text transform uppercase. I don't even know if this is what we want to do, to be honest. Anyways, yeah, let's not dwell on this anymore. I have a bigger fish to fry. I have bigger fish to fry. And also, perhaps we can do like color. And then we just do like gray, dark gray. Can we do dark gray? No, well, that's not very darkish. Shit. Gray. Yeah. Yeah. Dark. Come on. Dark slate. Wait, what the fuck is this? Can we do black? Oh, well, I don't want. Okay, so. Did we use any font colors here? No, we didn't. Anyway, dark gray hex color. Right, so we need something like, I don't know. Come on, give me a break. What do we need? We need something like OD. Will that be okay? Is it 0 or is it O? I think it's 0. 0D, 0D. Yeah. Let's have a look. Yeah, that didn't fucking help, did it? What? This is fucking black. Yeah, well, come on. Well, what if we do 23, 23? 23, 23, 23. Well, looks fucking black to me. What the fuck? What? Come on, give me a break. Okay, so now... So... So it only takes what? Okay, so this worked. Okay, so it wasn't supposed to be quote in quotes. Are you shitting me? And now it doesn't... Really? What? Come on, what if I go... Yeah, so this works. But it's way too black. I don't want this to be so black. I want this to be gray. Yeah, because if it's grayish... Yeah, it was the double quotes, yeah. The grayish is a little softer on your eyes, I guess. Anyway, again, Thomas, you have bigger fries to fry, fish to fry, bigger fish to fry. Okay, so I have some texts that I want to write, so I think I have them on my Google Drive. Right, my drive. There it is. New message. There it is. Right. Okay, so let's just... Yeah, we go main view. Right, heading. Can we do like as? And we do H2. Heading as H2. That didn't help at all. Okay. If we just do text as H2, can we do that? Right, that didn't help either because it was so I have to go and check the documentation for this heading. Right. I'm a heading. Yes, you are. And oh, as H2. Yeah, as size. Okay. Ah. Okay. So what if we just do... Yeah, so what if we just do... But I don't want this because I want to make this not user friendly but rather mobile friendly later. So let's do this. Excel Yeah, but this is like heading us. So MD. What if I do MD? Okay. Right. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, okay. So we have, right. Okay, so we have this language file and we have this localist. There we go, Swedish. And then we, right. And this, okay, so we're gonna create main main view, and that's gonna be an object, and then we say like sub slogan, and we will just add this as a sub slogan, and then on the main view we will create, well, actually we can copy this, and we're just gonna do h2, and we're gonna say main view dot sub slogan, and we're gonna head over here, and this doesn't fucking work at all because I want this to be what I don't understand. I just don't fucking understand this. Why isn't this a different, why doesn't this kick in on a different size? What? Font wide heading, text font size, right, times 1. So I have to do this heading MB4. What the fuck is MB? Right. Ah, fuck. Oh my god. So let's change this to text, and then we do font size, right? So we just do font size. Why would I do x1? What is that? And so I really don't care about this. This doesn't do shit for me. Yeah. So this didn't fly. So let's do x2. The fuck that is? Nothing. Nothing. I come on. I need to be able to use. So what is this? Is this, well, once this is parsed? Is this what? Is this an H1? No, it's an H2. Okay, did I say H2? I didn't say H2. Shit. So what if I do as H1? Right. And inspect, and now it's H1. But why is it okay? So because it's giving this class, right? And font size, can I say, okay, let's font size, right? So let's do text because this doesn't work for me. So let's do text. But I want to use H. So 1 XL. No, let's do XL. Let's do XL. XL. And then fuck you. Oh, it's a little bigger. Okay. But I actually want to be using heading because it's better for SEO, search engine optimization. And then we just ask, and we say H2. Can we do that? And we do font size on that. Can we do that? Yeah, it's not bad. Okay, all right. So, and then we're just gonna do uh, we're just gonna do um, pitch, and then we're just gonna go in here, format our code, and then we're gonna say pitch is, and what is the pitch? The pitch is right here. Boom, 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 and then we probably need some call to action. What? Oh, okay. Right. Let's have a look. Right, so we're gonna probably place some sort of image somewhere. Is that today's just once so we can, for example, here right. Right. And the footer is just an empty thing. Right. Right. Could we? What's the pitch? Is not defined. It is defined. Yeah, no problems. Um, what else can we do here? Right. We had some interesting stuff like right. There should be some chakra examples or templates. Right, chakra templates. Right, browse templates. Make pricing, footer, no need. Yeah, well, we could define the footer, navbar, sidebar, contact, multi-step forms. Oh, this is interesting. Yeah, not that interesting. What does it look like on the phone? Yeah, yeah. Well, anyway, let's not get distracted. Contact, compute cards, buttons, result. Don't we have like a hero image or something? What the fuck is result? This is, yeah, no. Features. Carousels. Right, we have carousels. Do we have, oh, here it is, carousels, but this is way too big. Yeah, we could place part of this, and let's take a look at the code. Icon button, use breakpoint value, stack heading container. We used React icons package for the icons. React Slick. Right. These are the breakpoints which will change the position of the buttons. Size changes. And we have the cards, and we have the image. Right. Yeah, we could probably use something like that. Font size, okay, so there are different font sizes depending on the depending on the resolution. We could right, 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 right. The problem that I see with this is how I can integrate this with i18n. So he's using this. So let's just stop this. No, actually, we don't need to stop it. We can just open up a terminal here. Yeah, yarn. Add this, and then we need to add this React Slick. Right, let's see. Remotos. What? Really? For what? For this? I don't get it. Yeah. Okay, so we're not gonna use that. Yeah. Right. So this is not a view, but yeah. Right. So let's just create a new file. We're gonna call it carousel.jsx, and we're actually gonna copy this entire thing. We gotta get rid of this. We're gonna get rid of this p left arrow. Yeah. So let's comment this out, because I could use didn't I do that on the Pranzo project? I already closed it. I think I did that somewhere. Let's have a look. GitHub. Let's take a look. I used that. Right, right. No, actually it wasn't on Pranzo. It was on Gustagård. Yeah. Utility assets, components, elements, header, footer. Do we have a calls to a caption? There it is. And then no, we did use it. React icons. Oh, okay, because it's just the React icons. Yeah, no drama. No drama. It was just me being silly. Anyways, let's take a look what that looks like. So if we go to main view, heading, right, so we just do Caro, uh, oh fuck, caption carousel, okay. I didn't change the name of it. Anyway, so let's have a look what it looks like. Number 0 is not iterable. What? 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 Okay. At, at line 34 in the caption carousel. Line 34. What? What a shit show. Why would this be? This is like totally not interesting. Um, right. Mm-mm-mm. What? I'm getting like weird. Okay, let's just reload. Oh fuck! Come on. Numbers is in Cursor GSX 34. Yeah, I am on 34. This is a fucking comment. Null. Ugh, come on. I hate reusing somebody else's code. That's what you get when you. Okay, let's just reuse this. Use. Okay, because there are some images here that I'm using. React helmet, and I don't have helmet. Why would I use helmet here? Slick carousel. Yeah, but I could have installed. Oh, because I am adding some 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 stuff here. But okay, so I have to debug this. Why slider set slider React use state slider. Okay. So debugger. And then what? Oh, come on. Give me a fucking break. There we go. So if we just step forward. Okay, so this is the error. But what is slider? What the fuck? Slider from React. Yeah. So let's do it again. So that's what you get when you try to reuse somebody else's code. Let's have a look. What is slider? Slider is a function. Doesn't it doesn't mean shit. Can't help me with that. Use type slider set slider. Really? Ah, how fucking nice, huh? Okay. Fuck it. Fuck that. Right. Do 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 do. Right. Let's reuse this because we know for no, we don't want to reuse this. Was I getting the same errors on this one? And we use some background image. This is because we do use it on. Yeah, this is a carousel, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, but this sucks big time. And what if we make this smaller. Yeah, I remember I was fighting an uphill battle with this. This wasn't what I wanted. No, so let's give this up. Let's give this up. I don't, yeah. Oh, God. Hero page sections. Hero city with annotation. But why don't we have any? Okay. Well, thank you very much for this, right? This is like, there is not even showing any examples. Why not? Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm just gonna. Fuck gradient, right? The fuck? Gesundheit. Yeah, okay. Fuck that. Let's just get rid of this. Yeah, yeah, move the trash. And we're just gonna go with hero. New file. Hero JSX. And then we're just gonna paste this in. Bye bye. Right. There we go. And then we just do export. Default. We're gonna call this hero. And then we're just gonna change this hero. Format our code. Right, it doesn't matter what it is at this point. And then we just go to the main view. And we just do hero. All right, let's have a look. Yeah, yeah, okay. I went a little too fast. Well, because we deleted it. Okay. Well, this sucks big time. Why does it suck? Because it's already wrapped in this page component. So what if I want the hero to be above? Right? Before the page component. Yeah. But now we have this big problem with flex full window height, right? We don't want this fully URL, right? Background size center. Cool. Use breakpoint value base for PXB VStack. Okay, so this is the stack. And we have font weight 700. What? Oh. But I don't want this as a, I want this as a header. Right, so we just want to change this to header. And just get rid of this. Can we do that? Oh, shoots. What? Heading, Thomas. Don't be an asshole. Why can't I set the color? Can I just say important here? No, I can't say that. Yeah, I can say important. So I can override it like, but this lorem ipsum, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So, yeah. Okay, so I can just pass in like a prop. I can do prop. Yeah, so we can just do props, heading, right. Well, actually, I can just pass this in as heading like this. And then we just do hero, so this should be empty now, right? And then we just do hero, blah, blah, blah. Where are we? We are in the main view, right? And then we just do heading equals this, right? Right, but this is fuck, doesn't look good. But these things, right? These things, right? Right, fuck this, right? Fuck this, and we say as h2. No, no, we can't do that. Why can't I do that? What did I do on the main view? Oh, okay. I needed to set this. Yeah, well, sometimes those things are just not what you really looking for. Mm, yeah. Yeah, well, 2x 3. What does that even mean? Right, it's 2, right, 6. What is this? What? Why is this so fucking... What? I don't even understand what this is. This... Oh man, come on. 4, 2, 5. Okay, so 2xl. What does that do for me? So 3xl. Yeah, but we need to go into what? Main view, hero, and the page component. Shit. Right, so margin top. Oh no, okay. Oh god. Flex. Yeah, I don't know. Margin top is 80. Is it 80? I don't know. 80px. Because we have this, but this is gonna cause us a lot of trouble later when we 90. Yeah, fuck, this is like, oh man. So the problem is that I have to bring it down a little bit because there is a header above it. But if I now scroll, yeah, it disappears and it shows up. But on the header, on the app bar, where's the fucking app bar? Here it is. 120, okay. So we need to give this 120 top. 120 top. That's not it. 110 then. Right, so where's this? So header is 110. And then we Z index position 90, current scroll position is less than 120, 110. Okay. There's something here. No, there's just a border. So let's scroll. Right. And what if I say 10 here? Right. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So these are small details, and I'm a little worried. I'm worried that once I start to test this on on the on mobile devices, this will look like shit. That's what I'm worried about. Yeah, that's what I'm worried about. Yeah, yeah. I have a low bitrate on this. Why do I have you browse you bitrate settings out of recommended? Right. Yeah. Well. Okay. Set bitrate value less than. Yeah, I don't understand that, but doesn't matter. My hour and a half is up soon, so if you guys have any questions, go ahead and ask them now. I will be back tomorrow working on this, because I'm gonna work on this anyway, so I might as well do it in a live stream. Let's just do something more businessy. Can we do something more businessy? I'm actually gonna use some really real photos later on Splash. How do we get those photo images on Splash? Can we do that? Like business people, business people. Alright, let's do business people. Let's do something like this. Where do we get? I don't want to download anything. I want to info. Yeah, but I want just to use. Where's the URL to this? Can I just copy image address? Can we do that? Boom. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Right. So I'm gonna get rid of these buttons for now. We're late. Well, I don't know. You're gonna use something like this. So I'm gonna download some images from Adobe Stock Images. I have an account there. And is that? Yeah. I am not particularly fond of this. I don't really like the. Um, I don't like the the font too much. How about I'm just out of curiosity, can I just try this font that I use on this site? Where is that? That's somewhere here, indexing. Yeah, let's just. I'm not a font kind of guy, you know, like really. I am really not a font kind of guy. Where's my CSS? Right, so let's do this. Yeah, I'm not very fond of this. It's not very. I like this, you know. Should I use like Gotham or something? Yeah, let's switch back to this. Do they have like? Let's see. Where are the Google fonts? There it is. Do they have Gotham? Google fonts. Where do I search here? Gotham. I like Gotham. Can't find. Uh, Metropolis. 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 Let's have a look at Metropolis. No? Well, fuck you, right? 3 Google fonts similar to Gotham. Montes. Yeah, well, that's the one I used. Open Sans. Lato. What is Lato? Open Sans. No, I don't want Lato. Yeah. Well, that's the one I used. I don't know. I don't know. Can I say like 1.5? Can we say that? On the. Can we say 2? But it doesn't make any changes whatsoever. What if I say like 5? What? Okay, now it changes. So 2 2.5? Yeah. And we say 45. No, let's do 2.2. Yeah, but what if we don't upcase this? None. Yeah. No. Well, we'll figure it out somehow. I need to make some grids here or something. But what if I just use, just for the sake of it, like if we go to the Cypress E2E and we just do CI viewport, and then we say iPhone dash X, is that one? Right. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. I don't really like those buttons, but and I also don't like the fact that this image is like totally weird. But I like the logo, I guess. I guess. Yeah, I need to work on those buttons. Anyhow, uh, thanks for tuning in, folks. I'm gonna be I'm gonna be heading out. It's getting a bit late. I got a few things done. Not as much progress as I would have wished for. No, sorry. Yeah, there it is. But here I am. I will be coming back tomorrow, as I said. Sorry. Well, what am I doing? Okay, whatever. I'm making a mess. Um, it is what it is. And I hope to see you guys again if you like to watch laundry dry. It's almost as exciting to see me coding as to, or watch paint dry. Is it? Yeah. Anyhow, thank you very much. You guys be cool. I'll be back. So long.